Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow people to embed your Instagram posts into their websites. Whether you have regular posts or Instagram Reels, enabling this feature will let others share your content on their sites. Let's get started. Open the Instagram app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you're on your profile page, tap the three lines icon at the top right corner to open the menu. Select Settings and Privacy from the list. In the Settings and Privacy menu, scroll down and tap on Sharing and Remixes. Under Sharing and Remixes, look for Allow Website Embeds. If this option is turned off, toggle it to enable it. By turning this on, you're allowing others to embed your Instagram posts and Reels into their own websites. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and good luck with sharing your content.